For this session, we are going to cover how to solve an equation using the TI-84 plus solver feature. Suppose we have this particular equation. 2 is equal to 1 plus 0.06 over 12 all to the power of 12t. Now, before we use the solver feature, we would need to make sure that 0 is on one side of the equation. And to do that here, we can just subtract 2 from both sides. So we can subtract 2 here, subtract 2 here. So that 0 is on the left side. And then on the right side, we're going to have 1 plus 0.06 over 12, all to the power of 12t, and then minus 2. So we just subtract 2 from the end of the right side of the equation. Now, let's go to our calculator. So if we press the on button to access the solver, we would press math, and then we would scroll down to option B, which is solver. Then we press enter. Now, if we notice in this particular equation solver, we have 0 equals on one side. So, so we don't have to worry about entering the left side of this equation. We just have to enter the right side. So we can put open parentheses 1 plus 0.06 over 12, close parentheses, and then we can use this caret button for to the power of, and then we can put open parentheses 12. Now for the variable, instead of t, we will have to put x because the TI-84 only allows for us to put x as a variable. Okay, so we have 12x, and then close parentheses, and then we put minus, and then 2, like this. All right, so now let's go ahead and press enter. So if we press enter, it's going to give us x equals something, but that's not really the solution that we are looking for. Um, we would actually have to make sure that at this particular step, we press alpha and then we press solve. Now we can't just press enter because if we actually press enter, it's not going to give us a solution. We actually have to press alpha and then solve at this step, which is the same button as the enter. So let's go ahead and press that. And if we do that, it's going to give us our solution. Now, it's really just going to give us one solution. So if your equation has multiple solutions, this method um, may help when may help in finding one solution, but it's not going to find all of the solutions. But fortunately, we're dealing with an equation that is exponential, and we can see that that this type of equation, which is actually based on compound interest, only has one solution. So we see here that our solution is 11.58 when rounded to the nearest hundredth. So we can actually keep that in mind. Thank you.